What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna show y'all in this video how to access FiveM and get into various different servers, right? So if you downloaded GTA, right? You downloaded FiveM, but when you pressing on FiveM to open the app, it's pulling up a box like this, right? It's pulling up something like this, and it's asking you to locate something, but you might not know what it is. Some people do might know what it is, but they don't know how to find it. I'm gonna show you what it is and how to find it, right? So it might be prompting you to locate GTA 5 period EXE, right? And you like, what the hell is that? Where is that? I'm gonna show you. Don't trip. I got you, right? So what you wanna do is, I'm gonna blow this up, right? What you wanna do is you want to go to your computer's main storage, which is going to be this thing right here, this symbol, whatever the word is. It don't matter what the word is. Yours might say something different than mine. You want to go to that right there. You want to go to program files 86, right? Then you want to go to, so this right here varies, right? It varies right here because some people might got Epic, right? If you got Epic, go to Epic. I use Steam. I have a Steam account, right? So you're gonna want to go to Epic. If you got Steam like me, you want to go to Steam. Don't go to Rockstar. Go to Steam. Steam, right? Now, once you get here, it's not in here. It's not in here yet. We got a couple more steps, right? Once you get into Epic or Steam, wherever you download the game, right? You want to go to Steam apps, right? Once you get here, you're going to want to go to common. Once you get to common, you want to go to GTA 5. Now, just a quick tip, right? Just a quick tip. If you're going to be like modding stuff, you could lose it. You could, like, it could glitch your game out, stuff like that. So what happens is you're going to have to uninstall a game and reinstall the game. Some people may know that. A faster way around that is you make a copy. You just make a direct copy, delete delete this folder, right? Because this is the one we're gonna go in and run the game through. Delete this folder and then use this one and then edit it like this. Take off copy and then make another copy. So then, yeah, when you do it, you'll see what I mean. Right? So you wanna go into this one, right? And when you go into this one, you wanna press this right here. This right here is the money. Now, here's the thing. You wanna do all these steps once you press FiveM. So you press FiveM, it's gonna prompt you to find something. Then you want to take these steps. I'll go through it again real quick, right? You click on FiveM. It's going to prompt you to find something. What you want to do is, so the box is going to come up. Boom. It's going to prompt you to find something. You go here. You go here. Go here. Go here. 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 Here.